Om Shri Sai Ram, offering my most humble salutations at the divine lotus feet of my beloved Master, Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. In this episode of Unfolding of Sai Bal Sanskar, Team Odia will be sharing the translation seva and transformation journey. Odia team was launched in February of 2015. It is managed diligently by Sister Sangeeta Mishra. Sister Sangeeta is a one-person team and manages the translation and Facebook page on her own with great commitment and dedication. Through some Sai group, she came to know about her blog and joined us in 2015 and is very prompt, meticulous and doing a great seva of reaching out to a lot of Odia readers. She shares her journey with Sai Bal Sanskar. Have a listen, please.
Pranam Swami, Sairam to all. My journey towards the world of translation seva is due to Swami's Kripa only. He is Sarvantarayami. He only knows when and how to fulfill a devotee's intense desire. Before I start narrating my journey, let me give you a glimpse of my background so that you can understand why did I accept this challenge. Mother tongue Odia, medium of schooling Odia, till graduation Odia, one of my main subjects, had keen interest in Odia literature. Obviously, I was in a good position to do this seva. Last but not the least, translation had been my favorite pastime since my school days. Credit goes to my father. Sairam, all these factors together gave me the much needed strength. In other words, I can say, Swami, who knows everyone's past, present and future, was shaping my future too in this manner. After quitting my teaching job, I had plenty of time in my hand. I always carried a secret wish in my heart to do translation of English books on Swami into Odia language for the benefit of Odia readers. But I didn't know how to proceed in this direction. And honestly speaking, I never took any concrete step in this regard. But I had told my husband about this desire of mine, so he knew about it. He is a member of a Sai group which sends Sai messages through email regularly. One day, surprisingly, he received a mail from this group asking for volunteers for translation seva in different languages. Odia was there. Immediately, he informed me about this development. My joy knew no bound. But I asked him to communicate to them first on my behalf. I said if they respond positively, I'll take the next step. He agreed to it and wrote a mail on my behalf informing my desire for this seva. With Swami's blessings, I got the chance. Then my real journey began. It has been a very tough one initially. My struggle started with the computer first because I didn't know much. Next was working with the translators. The problem was that they were not providing all alphabets, and also I didn't know how to combine alphabets to get the required one. To add to my woes, I had almost forgotten the correct spelling of many Odia words due to lack of practice. Many times it had been very difficult to remember appropriate Odia words and make the sensible and right use. In fact, very soon I was made to realize that I had lost touch with my native language. But with Swami's Krupa, I could overcome my shortcomings in a very short period. My children helped me a lot. They taught me how to make use of computer for my work, and if I met with any problem, they handled it. Similarly, I learned how to make best use of translators. Besides, with Swami's blessings, I started remembering right Odia words and their spellings. Words started flowing in my mind whenever I required them. So sometimes it makes me wonder who is actually writing. Is it me or Swami? Of course, Swami. He is the director and executor of each and every drama. We are only his instruments. I will narrate one instance here. We are searching for a suitable title for our Odia Facebook page, keeping Niti as the keyword. We had many in our list but could not reach any agreement on a particular one. The title hunt was on. One day, all of a sudden, one title popped up in my mind. The way the word came, it really startled me. I could not believe myself because in that period of time, my vocabulary was not that strong. I thought to myself that if everybody accepts it without any hesitation, it means it is Swami's work only. It happened in that manner. The title was accepted unanimously. The title was Naitika Vichar Shrunkhala, and the word that had popped up or Shrunkhala, which means a series. The later journey has been an amazing one. It has given me a lot. Let me present them one by one. My command over Odia language improved to a great extent. Working with a computer and a translator started becoming easier, and all these things together helped me to regain my self confidence. Best part of it is that my time and energy both got a very good chance to be utilized in right direction. As a result, slowly and gradually, I could see a beautiful change in me. I can say it has been quite transformative. I learned not to take hasty action and be sober in my dealings with myself as well as with others. Besides, each story meant for the translation has taught me a lesson. Let me explain how. In our daily life, we frequently meet with lot of challenges, problems, issues, etc. We all search for a solution. To my amazement, I get the solution right from the story which I have already translated or while doing the translation. This is a real miracle for me. Hear me, the translator, learning the moral first before it reaches my readers. Next, it has been the best source of mental strength in the time of a personal crisis. After my mother's death, I was totally devastated and underwent depression. Restlessness and panic attacks were ruining my life. But due to Swami's blessings, in that time also I could gather strength and sit down to do translation work. From the moment I start till I finish, even after that, for a longer period of time, I never got any attack and a calmness prevailed over me. Because of this work, I could survive to a great extent. It kept me occupied and my grieving soul could get some solace. Swami provided me the required strength through it. In the end, I can say translation is nothing but pure magic. It has changed the definition of me in my life. It has been a pure source of joy in my life. Sai Ram.
You just heard the sharing by Sister Sangeeta Mishra of Team Odia. Sai Bal Sanskar team is immensely grateful to Bhagwan for this Odia blog and pray Bhagwan to always guide and bless us to reach out to many more Odia readers who can benefit through these value-based stories. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.